Model, 1991 Volkswagen Transporter 1200 2.4D pop-top camper conversion needs repair. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 205,437. MOT, the 20th of June 2025. Engine, 2400 cc. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Engine clutching gearbox are perfect. The brake pedal is hard. We think the brake master, servo cylinder needs replacing. Straightforward repair, definitely worth doing. Popped-up camper conversion, grin. Condition summary, camper is original coach built Westfalia, California, working fridge, 2-ring cooker, 50L water tank. Leisure batteries and engine batteries fully charged by 100-watt solar panel. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, fully fitted camper, fridge, sink, electric hookup, bed, pop-top, hob, alloy wheels. Euro status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Contact us, 01564